Are you kidding me? Come on in. Oh my god, the model is this. I found out this one's motorized. Are you kidding me? This is 4,000 pounds capacity. Not funny anyways. I was expecting to see original Otis elevator, data fixtures. See. Still Otis controller. Here on 14. Dark Ghostman works. Cabby. Who do you see? Hey. Indicators there that rear fixtures. These things are fast, so I might have to take one more eye on these fixtures. Why did they motorize an Otis elevator? One more ride. Sorry. Come on in. Are you going up?
I'm just checking.
Okay. No problem. Really? An Otis indicator? Why? Why did they need to motorize these? Why? I'm gonna do my cardio again. By the way, there's no security camera in the elevator. This one. It's just motorized and remodeling it. Air fixtures. Go down to... You're on 14. 14 here. Why do they need to motorize these whatsoever? It's an Otis still. Oh my goodness. I didn't expect this happens. 6, 4, that was stopping it. Going down. Dark Ghostman works. Go ahead. I'm trying.